Hey guys, my name is Zelia and welcome back to my channel. So why are we in my kitchen? My kitchen is really small. So anyways, today I am doing a product review. And what kind of product am I reviewing in my kitchen? Well, I am reviewing the new Indomie Relish Seafood Delight. Like, this packaging is to die for. I went to the mall today just to window shop and I couldn't stop myself from buying this. Like, it was crazy. So I am curious as to what this noodles actually taste like. Indomie just made this new product. This one, the Seafood Delight, and the chicken one. I couldn't get the chicken one, so that was why I bought just this one. You're going to be cooking along with me and I'll tell you what this thing tastes like, an honest review and my thoughts. So you want to know what it tastes like, you want to know my thoughts? Let's get to cooking. Welcome back. So I have my delicious Relish Seafood Delight by Indomie and it looks so good. I really can't wait to start digging in. But before I go on, I need to talk about certain things. So the first question you would ask yourself when seeing this pack is, how much does this thing cost? I got it for 320 naira and I love the fact that the pack looks premium. Like, if you ask me, that was what attracted me to the noodles actually, because I've been seeing the ad and I was like, Indomie, I started again. But seeing it in person, it is so good. The pack looks premium and I'll give them like a 10 for that. In my opinion, it's a bit pricey and I think the reason why it is pricey is because they put a lot to it. So I love the fact that it came with like 5 sachets in it. So there's this bag that holds all the sachets, which is like really amazing. This bag holds all the ingredients. And then inside you would see, and you see the fish chunk, fish powder, the seasoning powder, and the seasoning oil, which is amazing. Like, this thing smells so good. I really can't wait to start digging in. And so those are my thoughts on the packaging. I think the packaging is fantastic. Indomie got this one like right, in my opinion. I think they can still come down on the price because 320 naira is really crazy. And then this is the quantity. It's really not family size. I thought it was going to be family size, like something that 5 people or 3 people at least can eat, which is, yeah, in my opinion, I think the price is like high. And then let's get to tasting the noodle. So, twisty, 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 twisty. Usually when some people make noodles, they usually don't like exhaust all the seasoning in the sachet, but I exhausted all the seasoning and it is really mild. Like, it gives room for you to taste every other ingredient in the noodle. And forget the fact that I added onion and pepper, which really didn't do like anything. It tastes really good and all the ingredients are like mild. They're not like boom on your tongue and killing you. And another thing I like about it is the fact that on every bite and every spoon, you get to feel the fish particle. I thought they were going to disappear, but I can actually still chew on them, and it's a bit crispy, not like crispy but like chewy, like meat actually, and it's fish, and this is amazing in my opinion. So that means you can actually do without having like eggs and chicken on your noodles, but I like having eggs or chicken on my noodles. It just makes it really interesting. If you ask me to rate this Relish Seafood Delight, I would give it an 8 without effort and stress. That is because the packaging is amazing, the taste is wonderful. My only problem with it is actually the price. So anyways, I need to devour my Indomie. Like, this is so delicious and the smell is amazing. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you would like me to keep doing reviews like this, leave a comment down below in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. And you can follow me on all my social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. I am Sincerelyzelia, and on Snapchat I am ALLABTZEE. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week with another amazing video. Bye.